When I was a young child, all of the lights looked like this. There were these fluorescent lights that were closer on the color spectrum to infrared than ultraviolet. You know, the color spectrum has infrared on one side and ultraviolet on the other side. And all the lights were like this. It was interesting. It was nice. You know, if you actually come out on a nice summer night, or just a nice night in general, you'll find these lights are actually very relaxing. All of the lights in this park are like that. They're all these fluorescent lights. And unfortunately, all of the lights outside of the park aren't like that. Let's see. All of the lights outside of the park are like that. These LED lights. So over the last couple of years, the city has decided to change all of the lights on all the light poles to these LED lights to save energy. It's all about the green energy movement, you know? And what I'm going to be talking about now is these studies, these experiments. They're not even studies, actually. They're experiments if you look into them. Making mice aggressive using blue lights. Basically, they use blue lights to stimulate a part of the mouse's brain that we hypothesized was associated with aggression or like their hunting instincts or their hunting portion of their brain, their predatory portion of the brain. However, it was first reported, I remember hearing about this back in 2017 or 2018, I forgot the exact date of this article that I'm showing on the screen right now. But of course, future people know that. I don't know that while recording this now, so I don't memorize the dates of these articles, but maybe I should. But anyway, so back in 2017, I remember hearing about this. And I remember when I was hearing about this, it was just talked and discussed in this very generalized manner of blue lights are used to make mice aggressive or something along those lines. However, if you look into these experiments, actually what they did was they infected these mice with viruses that then made them sensitive to blue lights. And it's interesting. So in 2017, they had to attach wires to the mouse's brain, like fiber optics or whatever, to the mouse's brain to send light signals to these regions of the brain. But now they actually have it where they have a new virus or an improvement of the virus where they can affect the regions of the brain without the fiber optic cables. They can just do it using external light, and it's even 50 times more effective. And it would be an interesting question to ask. Can humans be infected by this virus? But anyway, I'm going to end this video here. I just thought I'd throw this information out there, or at least address this information, and I believe in a more complete manner than it has been addressed. I'll see you fellow slaves in the next one.